I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need the app updated and the device unlocked. Once ready, open Snapchat. Tap your profile icon top left to access settings quickly. Then tap the gear icon for settings. This is where notification controls live. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to change, otherwise you'll adjust the wrong profile. Once in settings, scroll to notifications to reveal call-specific toggles. This step starts the process. Because Snapchat separates call alerts from other message alerts, you must change the call controls directly here. Now that you're in notifications, find the Call Notifications section. It lists calls, incoming call previews, and group call options. Toggle off calls to stop ringtone-style alerts, and also turn off incoming call previews to remove banner previews. If there's a separate group calls option, disable that too. Snapchat treats group calls separately. Make sure changes stick by tapping back and returning to confirm toggles remain off. This ensures you silence both individual and group call interruptions moving forward. Once you've toggled call alerts off, verify the device-level notification permission. Go to your phone settings, Notifications, Snapchat, and ensure app notifications are allowed but call-style alerts disabled. If changes didn't apply, force close and reopen Snapchat. Sometimes a restart applies the new state. If call notifications persist, sign out and sign back in, or reinstall the app to reset cache settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, check any linked devices or desktop Snapchat, because those can still.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.